Want to learn how to log out of your OK Apps account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now, tap on these three straight parallel lines on the top left corner. Tap on More on the right corner next to Product. Scroll down. On the bottom, just below Settings, you can see an option of Logout. Tap on it. And if you want OK App to remember your password so that you don't have to enter it next time, tap on this blank square box in front of Remember Me. But if you want to deny it, you can tap on it again and then tap on Logout on the bottom right. Just by doing it, you can see that you're out of your own profile. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.